Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are preparing for software testing interview, especially as a fresher or experienced, then you are in the right place. I am going to start a new series of software testing interview questions and answers. These are most commonly asked interview questions which are being asked in all MNCs and startups. I have prepared all the interview questions based on real-time experiences and also based on my experiences that I have gone through in my total 12 years of experience journey. If we follow these questions, then it will not only help you to crack the interview easily and efficiently, also it will help you to implement the testing concept in the project. Okay, so this series will be applicable both for manual tester as well as automation tester, because though you are an automation tester and you are working in different tools, but this testing fundamentals questions will be same for everyone. It will be same for fresher, experienced automation tester or manual tester. It will be applicable for everyone. This will be a ongoing interview question series where I have segregated all the setup questions to different parts. Each part will be having 4 to 5 questions and I'll be explaining each questions theoretically, as well as I'll be giving all the questions with examples and I'll be showing how you can do through the practical. Okay, so if there will be any scenarios where we need some practical examples, then I'll be showing that by giving some examples. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe if you have not subscribed, and also share across with your friends